Hi, my name is Simone Hoyser from PLR Planners, and I recently found an amazing design tool called Affinity Publisher. Some of you may have heard of it, some of you may not have. Why Affinity? So in Affinity you can create printables, digital journals and planners so easily as if you were in PowerPoint. But you can also actually add layer and design effects on every element in there as if you were in Photoshop. So it's basically PowerPoint and Photoshop in one. The other plus side of using this is that you can also create a master template. So instead of having multiple pages with different links that you have to add in the link every time, the master page allows you to set one page as a background image that'll have all the links in there for you. Affinity also has a free access to stock footage, so like Unsplash, Pexels and Pixabay, all within Affinity, which means you don't have to go onto your website to get it. Now you're probably thinking it's a very expensive software, but it's actually not. It's quite cheap actually, and it's only a once-off fee, which means no subscriptions at all. Now, does the pricing change its quality? No. Affinity has actually won the Mac App of the Year in 2019. And it is not just for Apple products. You can also get a Windows version of any of the Affinity products. Affinity can be used not only to create digital journals, but also any print planner or journal you want, as well as POD products. It is incredibly versatile and can export onto multiple different formats such as PNG, JPEGs, PSDs, and PDFs. I was so excited about the software that I actually put together a training course on how to create a digital planner so easily using Affinity Publisher. Now, if people who used to PowerPoint know how difficult it is to put how many links in, with Affinity Publisher, like I said, you can set up a master template in it. I'm really excited about this software because it helps people who can't afford the subscription fees for Photoshop and PowerPoint. Now, with this, you can create digital journals so quickly and easily. Thank you so much, and you will find the training details down below.